Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back on another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you a meta slack trick. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Bang. Before you enter this video, I'm going to be using the Xenon for this tutorial, so shout out Offset. Anyway, let's get into it. So to start off with, you're going to roll into a trapeze, like so, and then just roll off. From here, what you're going to want to do is pinch between your index finger and your pointer, and your middle. And then you're going to create a slack going over like so. You want this to go over your wrist from the back like that. And then you're going to want to land the yo-yo on the string connected to your middle finger, making sure it lands like directly on it like so, and in front of the yo-yo. From here you can just underpass. Then you're going to reject this string off the front and pinch with your pinky finger and ring finger. Then do an outward slack, so the slack forms like so, and then roll onto a trapeze, and then whip the slack into the yo-yo like that. So from here you're going to flick this round so that it comes off, and then you just want it to rest on the yo-yo, right? And then you're going to twist this back string around the yo-yo like so, and then you can just under roll once with your throat hand, and that will create the triangle. And then pop out the back and bind. So I'll go over the trick one more time for you. So, weird wrist slack, rejecting off, and then like that weird pinky ring finger pinch, then flick that off. Try not to get the yo-yo to reject the string, roll round, underpass, pop out the back, and bind, and that is the whole trick. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like and whatnot, like, subscribe and all that, leave a hype, and yeah, peace.